Hi guys, Renee here. Thanks for joining us today. So today we're going to do just a really quick video talking about how we fold and package our t-shirts for shipping. So this is actually a order that we had on Etsy for a rhinestone t-shirt. And what I'm going to do is show you the different types of bags that we use when we are packaging our orders, and also the inserts that we put in. So first of all, let me show you the items that we use. So for all of our t-shirts, we put them into this clear poly t-shirt bag. We fold them up. I just think it makes for a good presentation. I don't want to have just the shirt with nothing to protect it in the bag. So this is a clear 10 by 13 poly bag, and on the top it has this little removable tape. So this is like adhesive where you can fold it over. We'll put links to all of these items in the description below. So the next thing that we do is I like to put inserts into the bag. So this is one of our inserts. This is just a little piece of paper asking people to share the item or like us on our different social media channels. I also put one of our business cards in the bag, just so that they know where they got it from if they need something in the future. And also I put a thank you sticker on there. So these are stickers that we printed out ourselves on our Roland VersaCAN printer. But what I like to do is put the sticker on the clear bag. So maybe this is just me, but I don't want to put the sticker on the outside mailer bag because I don't want to announce, to people who might steal packages that this is something that they might want to steal. So I put the thank you sticker on the inside clear bag. So these are the bags that we use. We use poly mailers. They're lighter, in terms of keeping your shipping costs down. So for a single t-shirt, I use a 10 by 13 poly mailer bag. If I'm shipping more than one t-shirt, I use a 12 by 15 poly mailer bag. So this bag would be good if you're shipping 2 t-shirts, or if you're shipping one bulkier item like a sweatshirt or something like that. This would be the size. And then for larger, this is our biggest bag. This is a 15 by 19 poly mailer, and this one can hold a hoodie, or this can hold like 3 or 4 t-shirts folded up, 2 sweatshirts. So this is the largest size that we have before we have to go to a box to mail items. And I buy all of my supplies from Amazon. So once again, I'll have a link in the description below. So this is just scale that we use to weigh our packages before we purchase the postage. So this is a shirt that we are mailing today. So this is a rhinestone shirt, and we got this order on Etsy. So we completed the order and we're mailing it out today. So what I want to do is just show you how I fold and package the t-shirt. So I lay the shirt face down, fold over the first side and smooth it out. fold the sleeve back. Then we're going to fold over the other side, smooth it out, fold the sleeve in, and then I'm going to fold it up from the bottom. So I'm trying to like fold it into thirds basically. Fold it up again, and there you have it. Nicely folded t-shirt. So we're going to put it into one of our clear poly mailers. Like so. We're going to insert one of our little social media inserts and one business card. And we pull the tab, fold this over. And I like to kind of get the air out. So then on the front side of the bag, I'm going to put a sticker on the front. This is one of our thank you stickers, which just says thank you for your order. And I think it makes for a nice presentation when they open the package. So what I'm going to do is put the t-shirt in a bag. Now, if you have any packing slips or anything like that, you can put that in at this time as well. Try and get all the air out. And we are going to weigh it on our scale. And you just get the weight. So this is 6 ounces. And so then I have that for my shipping label. So that's it. Easy peasy way to package your orders for shipping. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.